Hello everyone, welcome back to another SQL problem called Employee and Manager Salaries. And this has been asked in Walmart, Best Buy and Dropbox, and it is a medium problem. So the question says we have to find employees who are earning more than their managers. Interesting. And then we have to output the employee's first name along with the corresponding salary. Okay, so this is a very common question which is being asked in interviews. So let's look at the data first. So we just have one table, employee. We don't have a managers table. So we have ID, first name, last name, age, sex, employee title, department, salary, target, bonus, email, city, address, and we have manager ID. But we just have one table. We don't have a table with managers. So what happens is, this is a kind of a question in which we'll do a self join. We'll join this table employee by itself. So let's take a look at the data first. So this is the ID of the employee. And who is the manager? The person with the ID equal to 1. So let me just select particular columns that we will need. Let's suppose ID, first name, and manager ID. So select this. Let's run this. So let's order them, order by ID. So as you can see, this is the manager ID. So the person with ID 1 is the manager of all these employees. So Ellen is the manager of Joe, Henry, Sam, and Max. Similarly, the manager of all these people is the person with the ID as 13, which is Katie. So what we will have to do is we'll create 4 columns. We'll create the first name of the employee, and we'll create a employee salary. We'll get the salary from here. We'll create a manager salary and manager first name. So first let's take salary as well. Let's run this. Let's copy this. Let's try to understand it here in the sheets. So as I told you, this manager is the manager for these employees. Then for 13, these are the employees. Yeah, we have Richard also under Ellen. But what we have to find is we have to find the employees who are earning more than the managers. So let's suppose this is the employee whose salary is 2,50,000 and the manager is person with ID 1, this Ellen, and Ellen's salary is 2 lakhs. So this Richard employee is earning more than the Ellen. So we will return this record. And if you find any other employee with manager salary more than the, so no. So this is 1,000. The manager is 1 earning more than Ellen. No, 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 no. 1,400. Manager is 13. Katie. No, Molly is not earning more than Katie. So I hope you got my point. So what we will do is we'll call this table as employee, and we will call the same table as manager. I mean, this is the employee table only. Let's put it here. So what we will do is we'll join both these tables. We will alias it as E and we will alias it as M. So what we will do is we'll select E.ln, E dot first name, and E dot this salary as employee salary, and we will select m dot first name, which will be manager name, m dot salary, which will be manager salary, and we'll be joining these two tables on which column. So we'll pick from employee table, we'll pick this column and we'll do join on e dot manager ID equal to m dot ID. So if we do a join on this and this, we'll get the manager and we'll get the employees as well. So let's look at it in action. So what we will do is we'll call the employee as E, and then we will do a inner join on again employee as M, and we will do a join on from E. What we will pick? We'll pick the manager ID. E dot manager ID, and from M we'll pick the ID. And here what we will do is we'll do a E dot first name, and we will call it as employee name, comma E dot salary, and we will call it as employee salary, and from the second employee table we'll pick the manager name. So m dot first name as manager name. Let's call it mgr name. And from M, we'll pick the salary as well, which will be manager salary, mgr salary. Now let's run this. So as you can see, we have got Max and Ellen. Ellen is the manager of Max, Katie, and Richard. Ellen is also manager of George, and George is the manager of Susan, Mandy, Brittany, and respectively. But what do we want from this? We have to find the employees who are earning more than their managers. And we have to output the employee's first name along with the corresponding salary. So what we will do is we will do a where e dot salary is greater than m dot salary. Let's run this. So we have just got one employee, Richard, whose salary is greater than the manager. So we'll pick only employee first name and employee salary, and we will not use these because it's not required in the output. So let's run this again. Now let's check the solution, and it passed. So hope you guys understood how we performed the join of employee table with itself to get the manager name and manager salary. But still, if you have any doubts, please post them in the comment section and I will try to resolve them. Thank you.